uthi Malwandle abafana abamnandi akumnandi ukushelwa amalwandle akumnandi ukuthola iattention for the very first time. Uthi ngiyithole le attention ukuthi kunezinto la ezenzeke la e-nursing college mangabe kwama weekends uthi uyazazi izinto mosezenzela ezenzeke endaweni la kunabafundi khona izinto ezenzakalayo ama tournaments athile ama sports day amantontontoni so nje nami sengiqala ukuba exposed and sengiqala ukuba independent and sengiqala nokugaina i-self confidence within myself because now ngiyazibona ukuthi kahle kahle le nto ebengiyona vele it's ibingekho right yabo. Uthi hayi-ke nami ngigcine ngihlangane nomfana-ke lana-ke umfana u-right ubuye ekhaya right kunemali kubo not that I care much about money because nami ekhaya ngibuya kulona ikhaya financial stable kodwa umfana nje uyambona ukuthi u-right and lo mfana lo yena already uhamba ngemoto right uhamba ngemoto uphambili kunami ngokweminyaka la elokhunjana e-college aqale kumfana ashele ngichazeke and manje ke i-communication nosisi wami ayisekho inhle kahle ngoba asikhona ukutholana sobabili asinawo ama cell phones so okusho ukuthi sixoxa sitholana mangabe sike ekhaya kuphela ngama holiday ebuyile nami mangabe kwenzekile kwaqondana ukuthi ufiki ubuyile ngikhona nami ngikhona uthi ngimxoxa lesi sengithola umuntu phela kanje uthi sisi athi he usaqala ngincoma ukuthi oh I'm so proud of you, you've lost weight, you look so beautiful mntaka oh I'm so proud of you and everything uthi kube leyo nto nje ukuthi ke finally kusho ukuthi imfundiso zakhe ziyasebenza kanti shit usisi wami doesn't know ukuthi mina ngiqoqelwe nje ukuba ka Department of Health ukuthi ngibone ukuthi this is not the right thing ukuthi ube yifindo nje eat and sleep okay. Uthi athi-ke ngidinga ukumbona-ke phela umfana asho ukuthi ake mina sekufika isikhathi la engizoyokwenza khona ama-practicals ngicelile ukuthi uma kunokwenzeka ngicela ukwenza ngasekhaya ama-practicals ngoba phela angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi ngaleza zikhathi othisha babefunda bafunde a certain time bahambe bayokwenza ama-practicals and mawuyokwenza ama-practicals because babengaholi kwakuye bazame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi bakuschedule closer to home so that you can just either walk or ugibele ngemali encane and ungabi frustrated. Uthi athi nami-ke ngicelile ukuthi nje ngicela bangitholele isikole esingasekhaya so I'm gonna be home more often and ngizokuvakashela e-college and ngiyafuna ukumbona lo mfana wakho ngiyafuna nje ukumbona lo mfana wakho noma kanjani. Uthi hayi Malwandle afike usisi for the first time ke azobona umuntu wami uthi umuntu wami Malwandle unice ungiphethe kahle treat me like a human being and everything uthi uyabona nje umjolo wase college niyaqala ukujola and everything yabona nje uthi makafika usisi angamthandi lo mfana usisi ambeka amabala khumbula ukuthi vele usisi was a control freak ehlezi ngigadile uthi because i-opinion kasisi wami still matters in my head uthi vele igcina ingahambi kahle leyo relationship because nginento yokuthi usisi is always right vele na before she was right ukuthi I mustn't allow myself ukuthi ngidle noma yini ngibe fat like this uthi Malwandle leyo relationship iphele kanjalo ke ukuthi usisi wami umbono wakhe mad heart iphele leyo relationship uthi ke manje ke isikhathi siyahamba kuhambe ngiphinde ngihlangane nomunye ke uma sengihlangana nalo munye ngihlangana nje nomuntu all right financially onezimali zakhe ohamba ngezingqovu zezimoto zakhe and mina I'm towards the end ukuqeda lento engiyenzayo nami sengiclose ukuthi ngiqede ukufunda uthi nalapho futhi usisi wami kena seyasebenza ke full time akasebenzeli closer ekhaya usebenzela far away kodwa makuvala ikole obvious ngithi usisha bana holiday amaningi uyabuya ngiyambona uthi nalapho ngiphinde ngimxoxa le mntaka mase ngithola omunye umuntu kanje uthi nalapho usisi athi ngifuna ukumbona uthi sihambe simbone lo muntu asikhiphe siyohlanganele eWimpi sidleke akhokhe wathini uthi nalapho usisi angamthandi lo muntu wami futhi lokhu bengazi ukuthi kuwesi kunalokuqala uthi hayi ngivele nginyange uthi mase ngingedwa ngivele nginyange ngithi ngeke phela ngimdala manje I need to live my life and I need to be independent usisi kade ngicontroller vele she was right on other things but this time around this is my life and ngiyamthanda lo ngiyamfuna ngizoshada futhi naye uthi hayi ngiqhubeke naloyo relationship yami yenkani uthi Malwandle kungagcini lapho kuhambe lo mfana lo afuna ukuyovela ekhaya mekafuna ukuyovela ekhaya for some reasons ngikutshelile Malwandle ukuthi ekhaya sikhaya lomkhuleko kuyakhulekwa ekhaya strong my mom is a strong intercessor lo mfana makafika ekhaya for the very first time ngiyoba introduce kuyena uthi uma wami behaved in a very very strange way engingazange ngi-understand ukuthi what was that. Kodwa later on at some point uma wakhe uthi waba nesibindi sokuhlala phansi naye athi ngani yami, kuzona zonke izinto engakuvumela uzenze empilweni ngiyakuzwa uthi lo mfana uyamthanda and everything, ukuthembise nokukushada, angisho ukuthi ungamshadi kodwa ngiyamuzwa lo mfana wakho la, kodwa angimuzwa la. Right? La esiswini mangikhuluma ngesisu ngikhuluma ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uthala umntana for 9 months khona into ekuthiwa izinseke emntwini wesifazane iyona ekhuluma more than anything umntana wakho makaseke engozini. Uthi angimuzwa la lo mfana wakho kodwa ngiyamuzwa la. Uthi hayi Malwandle sihambe isikhathi. Understand ukuthi why nobody is not happy for me. I grew up being bullied. Esikoleni bengingathandwa umfana, esikoleni abafana bebengenza ijoke. Finally I've got umfana ongithandayo, ongiunderstandayo and everybody is against me. Uthi as a result uthi the day umfana introduce kubaba wakhe wayengekho. Kodwa uthi the day lo mfana befikile abantu bakubo for the very first time bezolobola wayekhona umfana kodwa uyazi ke ngesiko lesinto ukuthi umkhwenyana kangena ngithi endlini so kusho ukuthi babemshiye emotweni ngaphandle. Excuse me. Kodwa uthi ke ngesikhathi sekufanele kudliweke uthi ubaba waphakama ubaba wahamba waye emotweni la kwakuhleli khona umfana ethi ufuna ukuyobingelela umkhwenyana wakwakhe. Uthi hayi nobaba wabuye ubusa bungekho buhle kahle. Uthi lapho ke sengifrustrated okuqala okugcina ukuthi everybody in my family abamthanda umkhwenyana wami or umkhwenyana wami to be. Kanti what is going on? At first it was my sister and usisi wami village, she's always been controlling, and now it's my parents. Uma ungitshela emehlweni ukuthi lo mfana uyamuzwa into ayishoyo kodwa akamuzwa esiswini ubesho ukuthini. Uthi ngimncane ngiunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani vele umjolo oserious oqala lo and userious oqala nje kanjani umfana ufuna ungishada and everything. Uthi Malwandle, I took the drastic decision ever. I decided ukuthi uma kuukuthi they don't want this guy to be my husband, mina I want him and I'm gonna go on marry this guy and be happy with this guy. Utanga uthi Malwandle, there was a time la ubaba wami khona naye abuya wazongibuzisisa after day 1 abakhwenyane befikile bezovela wangibuzisisa wathi uyamthanda ngempela lo mfana awungichazele ngaye. Uthi wangibuze emningi ubaba that I could not understand ukuthi ubaba uboneni kulo mfana le eyenza ukuthi manje angibuze imibuzo eminingi kangaka. Meanwhile usisi wami yena ngesikhathi ezolotshola akazange azabe nale drama. Is it because I'm the last born? Or is it because ngiyaqala uqoma, are they being overprotective? What is happening? Because I don't understand what is happening. Mina I am in love and ngibona uhusband la. Uthi Malwandle sihambe isikhathi. Ngigcine ngishadile ke nalo mfana. Uthi Malwandle ithi ngixoxele ukuthi ngendlela lo muntu wami ababemnyanya ngayo ekhaya. Baba zange eze emshadweni. Ngafona ngaze ngancama waze washisa ifone. At that time sengine cellphone ngiyasebenza sesiright sesiyashada ke nodali. Uthi ngafona kwaze kwashisa ifone ubaba esoloko esethi usendleleni. Ungangibuzi ukuthi kanjani wayengasukini kubo mayeshada nami I don't know ukuthi babehlukane kanjani ngoba phela ngokwesintu sazi ukuthi uma ushada uphumela ekhaya kini angithi. So angazi ke yena ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani kodwa iassumption yami ithi ngoba vele babengamfuni umkhwenyana kusho ukuthi wayesezenzela izinto ngendlela yakhe mhlambe kwakushada lokho wayeshadela kwenye indawo akaphumelanga kubo I don't know. Kodwa uthi ubaba wakhe akazange afike kwivenue la kwakufanele bashadele khona ngoba phela uthi babenza izinto ngezinto zesingisi ke beshadela kuma venue exclusive njani. Uthi bamfonela ubaba wakhe baze bancama akangafiki ubaba wakhe. Bafona baze bakhathala kwaze kwakungenelela udade wakubuka baba wakhe ukusho ukuthi uanti wakhe kwawuyena omukhisa down the aisle. Uthi vele lapho at the time bese kumuncu vele ngoba vele ngisho ukuthi ngangenza into ababengayifuni bonke kodwa mina ngingenaso isizathu futhi bona bengenaso isizathu esibambekayo esingenza ukuthi mina ngiunderstand ukuthi why bethi lo muntu abamfuni. Uthi Malwandle fast forward short story a long story short, fast forward Malwandle ngaqhubeka ngashada uanti wangi walk down the aisle. Maye ngwalk down the aisle uanti waqhubeka umshado ngendlela waqhubeka ngayo. Angizange ngabe ngoba phela uyayazi ukuthi into yomabo idinga i-involvement ye-family kakhulu and vele izinto sengiyazenzela ngendlela yami because akekho umuntu ongisupportile, akekho umuntu ongisupportayo and I don't even know the reason why nobody wants to support me. Uthi fast forward Malwandle sengizalile ngisho ukuzala for le ndoda ingane yami yentombazane yokuqala ina 3 years. Uthi Malwandle le ndoda yaqala nje ngezinto ezincane that I couldn't understand. Owokuqala Malwandle ngangithi mangabe ngi-on periods le ndoda yayine obsession engangingayi-understand yegazi, into nje ethi gazi. Uthi ngangithi mangikuma periods I insist ukuthi I must not use ama-tampons, I must use ama-pads. Lama pads awathathe Malwandle, iyanyanyisa lento engizoyisho. Uthi wayewathatha lama pads Malwandle awafake emanzini, awawashe, awasqueeze, awakhame. Lamanzi lawa agcwele igazi, aseyigazi, automatically aseyigazi. Uthi wayewathatha awafaka emabhodleleni awabeke. Uthi wayewenzani, uthi nami angazi. At first ngathi mangiwathola lamabhodlela ngaqale ngamanga ukuthi amabhodlela awani lamabhodlela. Ngalandelela ngaze ngathola ukuthi lo muntu lo njengoba ehleze insist ukuthi mangabe ngikuma periods nje ngimnikeze ama-pads wami ngoba wayethi ngimnikeze. Nami ngoba phela ngangimthanda ngivuma yonke into nje ayishoyo ngimnikeze nginga-understand ukuthi waye efuna ukuthi ngimnikeze wona futhi at the same time kodwa futhi ngingenandaba ukuthi hayi umkhwenyana wami vele. Uthi at first ngawathatha lamabhodlela ngahamba ngayomba umgodi ngayichitha yonke leyo nto, ngathela ushibhoshi, ngathela usawoti, ngagqiba ngahamba. Uthi impi eyasuka ngokuthi ngiwathathile lawo mabhodlela ngalichitha lelo gazi. Uthi impi eyasuka lapho umuntu azange angikhulumise kwaphela inyanga yonke silwa sibanga ukuthi ngithunywe ubani ukuthi angiwalahle la mabhodlela or ngilahle lela gazi. Uthi Malwandle iqhubekele obsession yalo muntu. At this time I am pregnant with the second child. Uthi ngathi mangiphuma esibhedlela lo muntu wanted to sleep with me instantly. Uthi uyacabanga ukuthi uma ubuya esibhedlela uqeda kuteta uyableeda, like uyableeda hayi kancane. Uthi iyami-excite, I realize ukuthi lo muntu iyami-excite to a point ukuthi yo wayelikhotha wayemafa enjalo evuza igazi. Uthi Malwandle literally uyawazi umuntu akuncele literally uvuza. Uthi the way I would be so disgusted because baby number 1 wazama ukuyenzwa lento salwa, but baby number 2 angazi noma wayesengithonyira or kwasekwenzakaleni kodwa nje ngangizithola ngivuma yonke lemkhuba yakhe engangingayi-understand out of the blue. Uthi hey Malwandle, uthe ngelinye ilanga nga-receive a call from usisi wami wathi ngikuphuphe usengozini embi. And le ngozi le engikuphuphe ukuyo engazi ukuthi umuntu o very close nawe okuplanela leyo ngozi. Angazi ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka kuwena kodwa sengize ngithi angikufonele ngikutshele ngoba akukona okokuqala leli phupho ngiliphupha. Seliyangikhathaza nami angisengisaba ngisho ukuvala amehlo ngilale. Kodwa ngiyacela ukuthi wherever you are khuleka. Uthi Malwandle I've always been praying ngoba phela ngibuye ekhayeni elikhulekayo. Uthi ngiyakhuleka. Uthi one thing Malwandle that I never understood about this guy ne-obsession yakhe yegazi. Uthi wayenganqeni lo muntu ukulimaza ingane, uthi athathe ingane bayodlala kube ngazi bayadlala egcekeni. Uthi uyazi izingane ziyalimala kalula iqhuzuke kwenzekeni. Uthi wayenganqeni lo muntu obsession ayenayo ngegazi, wayenganqeni ukudlala nengane adlale nengane. Uthi uyabona intoni nail clipper kunalo mbese omncane at the center we nail clipper, it's usually a very sharp knife. Uthi wayenalo mbese onjalo and the other one separate mbese wodwa, and uthi that knife was very sharp. Uthi he would make sure ukuthi whenever edlala nengane egcekeni uzogcina edlalisa lengane ngalo mbese, igijimisa ngombese ingane igijima icabanga ukuthi it's fun ubaba uyangidlalisa egcineni ayikhathe somewhere. And uthi wayethi mangabe ayikhathile somewhere mhlawumbe wayekhathe emlenzeni or wayekhathe esandleni or ke avela alincele igazi. Ngithi ngiyagijima mina nama-bandage nani ama-surgical spirit and whatever. Athi cha, don't worry, avela alincele igazi. Uthi futhi immediately makalincelile igazi kwakuvele kome dry same time kube ngazi ukuthi ingane ayikaze ezilimali. Uthi Malwandle kube ngazi ingane ayikaze ezilimali. Uthi, yay, I was always praying, speaking the blood of Jesus over my children, speaking protection. Uthi, I was always praying, Malwandle, ngikhava ingane zami ngegazi likaJesu ngoba yay, ngiyabona ukuthi ikhona into wrong la, but I cannot put a finger on it ukuthi yini kahle kahle wrong, but lento ye-obsession kamyeni wami ngegazi like this iyangikhathaza, ngifuna ukungasho. Uthi Malwandle, sihambe isikhathi. Uthi ke manje nginalo mntana wesibili, ngikwi-maternity leave, and njengoba nginalo mntana wesibili ngikwi-maternity leave, ngithenge ilokhunjana, ngithenge i-cot, a small cot. Umntana wami wesibili kwakumfana, ngithenga i-cot. Uthi lo mntana lo ngimbeka kwi-cot eceleni kwami. Uthi le ndoda ayifuni ingane eduze kwethu. Uthi ingane usana lama ngihambe ngiyolibeka on another bedroom, sasinomuzi omkhulu. Uthi Malwandle, mina me-black person angi-understand lento ukuthi ingane uzoyibekela i-monitor lapha, ingane usana lale loda mangabe likhala fanele uvuke unwabuke kuye kulona. Akayifuni ingane eduze kwethu lo muntu, engazi ukuthi akayizali. The only time la edlalisa khona ingane, it's only when eyidlalisela ukuthi ufuna ukuyilimaza. I know ukuthi once waphatha ingane nje ngesandla, lo mbese wakho uzo end up enganeni for one reason or another, and ingane izobivuza igazi, and mayivuza igazi lelo gazi uzolincela. Kodwa nje under any other circumstances, he's not a father, he's present in the house. Akayithinta ingane, akayishintsha ingane, akayincelisa ingane, is not helpful with anything, but when it comes to ukuthi ufuna ukuyigijimisa ayidlalise ayisike, that's the only thing that he will do. Uthi as a result bebengena relationship esile nezingane zakhe. Uthi Malwandle, nayo lento iyangikhathaza, and uthi the day ngithenge i-cot ngazoyibeka la ekamereni lethu lengane yethu, lo mntana wethu emncane, ngoba akasalali nathi embedeni because useka a couple of months old, sengifuna ukumbeka kwi-cot. Uthi ingane wayebhizi edlalisa ingane ilele kwi-cot, ethi wena uzoba isiboshwa mosomdala, uzoba isiboshwa mosomdala, uvele ngamabhazi ejele. Uthi ngathi yini lo isho enganeni, ngoba phela ulimi liyadala, and into oyishoyo enganeni kusho ukuthi you are manifesting it upon impilo yengane. Uthi hayi, kwasuka umsindo, balwa. Uthi kanti ingane uyibekeleni la ekamereni lethu, ingane kufanele ngabe ine-bedroom yayo. Uthi lapho at the time vele i-bedroom yengane yayi-ready nayo yonke into, and uthi lalenziwa uyena ilokhuzana ikamero lelo. Uthi Malwandle, sala to a point ukuthi ngaze ngagcina ngempela ngiyisusa ingane ekamereni ngayifaka kule bedroom ayenzile ukuthi i-bedroom yengane. Uthi njalo Malwandle ngangithi mangithi ngiyafika nje ngiye ngaphenduka nje ngale ingane ngishiya ilele, ngivele ngimfice esekamereni nengane usekayikhathile, ubhizi ukhotha igazi. Uthi njalo Malwandle lento iloke yenzeka. Uthi la, which was a final straw, la engaphaphama khona ngabona ukuthi ingane zami zizofa, and there's something seriously wrong ngalo muntu wesilisa. Uthi was when ngade ngihambile ngaye town ngamshiya nezingane ngiyokwenza shopping. I did not want to be disturbed by izingane, and at that point in time ngangifuna ukuthi ngisheshe ngibuye, ngoba phela angisho lo omncane at the time mangabe chaza ukuthi wayesehlala esenonyaka esebhadazela nje esethi tabataba. Uthi ngamcela ukumshiya nezingane, ukhona ekhaya ngacela ukumshiya nezingane. Uthi uma ngibuya Malwandle, ngibuya izingane zami zoyi-2 zivuza igazi, le ntombazane seyize iyakhala, uyikhathile Malwandle la. Uthi and uyikhathe exactly emthanjeni, and uyawazi lo mthambo ola ukuthi ucrucial kanjani, wawukhatha igazi lakho naliphuma liqhanse lithi nalo mncane umkhathile. Uthi ingane seyize iyakhala, ithuswa ukubona igazi. Uthi njengoba ingane ikhala, uthi uphethe iglass yewine Malwandle ukhongozela igazi njoba liconse enganeni. Uphethe iglass yewine ukhongozela igazi, and ngiyambona ngisho kuma lips akho ukuthi uqale ngokulikhotha, ngoba nalo omncane naye umkhathile, even though lo mncane engamkhathanga kwi-wrist, kodwa naye usikekile khona esandleni. Ngiyabona ukuthi la esikeke khona uselikhothile, because even ngisho umlomo wakhe uzona namadevu wegazi, ngapha ubhizi ukhongozele igazi ngeglass yewine enganeni. Uthi Malwandle, that's when I realized ukuthi lo muntu lo is a Satanist. Lo muntu lo uma ngiqhubeka nokuhlala naye nezingane zami sizofa. Uthi Malwandle, ngafike ngakhuza ibhadi, ngakhuza umhlola, ngamemeza, ngaskrima. Uthi ngathi ngithi ngiyaskrima, wangisakaza ngempama ngawulahlela le kude ukuthi wawukhipha lo mbese wakhe omncane ajwayele ukusika ngawo izingane. Uthi at that point ngiwile ngisapaquza ngizama ukuvuka ngoba phela ungisakaze ngolabhabha wempama ngalahleka phansi lapho bengisangena nje namaplastic ngisaphethe amaplastic ukuthi ngiyobeka kwi-counter kitchen. Uthi ngisazama ukupaquza ngizama ukuvuka uthi ngathi ngithi ngiyazama ukuvuka weza kumina wazobeka idolo ngci esifubeni ngathi ngithi ngisabheka idolo esifubeni uthi wangena ngamanqindi wangena ngamanqindi uthi emesuka lapho wangisika uthi yena wamgwaza uthi nje wangigaza nje wangithi nje ngci la kwakanye uthi Malwandle the way igazi lavele laphuma lapha phoza ngakhona uthi wavele excited wahleka uthi uyasibona lesi sihleke ngazi ukuthi sikaSathane endlebeni zami kwakuringa into engazi ukuthi yivoice kaSathane straight and uma ngithi ngiyambuka amazinyo akhe wonke asegcwele igazi njengoba bekabhizi encela igazi lezingane amazinyo akhe wonke abova sekagcwele igazi uthi ngithe ngisathi ngibheke lokho Malwandle ashintsha amehlo abheja ababovu ayigazi gazi amehla ukuthi wokhipha wonke abamakhulu abamabhanyaza abamangaka uthi hey athi Jehova yini le uthi at the time kongazi ukuthi ngiyaquleka ngiyafeinta but in the midst of my fainting ngangikhuleka ngibiza igama lika Jesu ngikhuleka Malwandle ngilwa ngikhuleka uthi lapho ngiyambona ukuthi ubhizi esandleni sami engazi ukuthi ngikude ngokomqondo but ngiyabona yonke into enzakalayo yabona mangabe kungazi ukuthi yonke into enzakalayo in front of you it's more like a movie than a reality happening uthi ngithe ngisathi ngisabheke lokho lo muntu wavele washintsha wayinto efaka izinto mnyama thu wamnyama kwangathi uSathane amehla abovu ayigazi amazinyo ayigazi ubhizi uyancela uthi Malwandle angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa the following day mina nezingane zami savuka esibhedlela sonke sobathathu I don't know ukuthi who came and rescue us nini kanjani uthi kodwa the following day savuka esibhedlela mina nezingane zami untombazane lo the way ayesewuphenga khona wayese close nje to pass out luckily whoever that came with rescuing us because kwakukuba impela came in time uthi ke then ntambama wathi makushonela ngantambama wafika kuma washo ukuthi hayi sizwile ukuthi kwenzakaleni and everything sitholile phone call isibhedlela sisifonelile uthi ngithe ngisabhekele ukuthi kwafika nosisi uthi ke this time ke makufika nosisi ke uthi nobaba later on wafika uthi bakhulekela mina bahamba bayodinga lezingane bayokhuleka waphinda wabuya beza kumina uthi bathi angeke sisho izinto eziningi njengamanje kodwa okubalekile ukuthi wena nabantwana uphile and angeke sikutshele ukuthi yenza ini ngempilo yakho kodwa sasikubonile so konke lokhu sumndeni ukuthi lo muntu lo ikhona into engekho right ngaye even though at the time sasingakwazi ukusho ukuthi yini wrong ngaye kodwa sonke somndeni sakubona ukuthi khona into engekho right ngalo muntu and ngicela ukuthi kusukela namhlanje uxolele ubaba wakho ukuthi akazange afike emshadweni wakho wayenezizathu zakhe zokungafika emshadweni uphinde uxolele udadewenu ukuthi azange afike emshadweni wakho naye wayenezizathu zakhe zokungafika emshadweni ingoba sasikuthanda namanje sisakuthanda uthi Malwandle ngalala esibhedlela for the rest of that week izingane zami zaphola nazo saphuma uma siphuma sahamba saya ekhaya ngathatha leave emsebenzini kuthe makuphela lo leave sahamba sabuyela endlini yami sawuthatha izinto zokugqoka and everything ngamove out nezingane ngafaka amaphepha divorce kwakuphela kwalowo mshado kwacaca ukuthi kusho ukuthi indoda engangishade nayo kwakuyiSathanist ngoba iobsession yakhe yegazi yayingenzi sense kodwa wacaca ukuthi hayi cha bengishade nomoya omubi uSathane oqala ukugcina ngesinye isikhathi abantu abasithandayo aba-around thina bayakhona ukusivikela uma besivikela kuye kube nzima ukubona at that time ukuthi bakhuluma ngani ubone ngazi ukuthi bayakuzonda kanti khona into abayibonayo wena ongayiboni asihlangane endabeni elandelayo ngiyanithanda ure mangabe unendaba ke nawe ofisa ukuthi uxoxe don't forget you know what to do I love you